Hi, I'm David, and this is going to be a multi-part set of videos on my VN Commodore. I inherited this from my aunt and uncle. My aunt passed away, my uncle passed away quite a few years ago. My aunt passed away just under 12 months ago. And I picked the car up yesterday. I'll throw some photos in of the car when we picked it up. And it's got 183,000 kilometres on it. And it is a 91 model VN. Love the car, but it's going to take me a while to get it right. So today I'm starting with just cleaning the mat in the boot. I'll show you what the boot looks like in a sec, but it had a water leak, and the water leak was not pretty. When I got home, I drove home in the rain, but I also picked it up and it was been raining down in Sydney for, well, those of you in Sydney knows what it's like, but it's been raining for quite a while. So the boot was full of water. At the moment, I don't know if you can hear it, I actually have a 100 watt light globe in the boot, and a dehumidifier running in there just to dry everything out. I've taken the mat out, obviously. The wheel well, where the spare wheel well was full of water. It had probably, I don't know, 14 centimeters of water in it. It was pretty deep. So I just want everything dry in the back. There doesn't appear to be much rust, a little bit of surface rust, but nothing that I can't fix up. The rest of the car, though, it's been sitting outside for the last 3 years, and yeah, the paint's starting to look a little bit weathered. It will be living outside here or under a carport, but basically I just need to tidy it up. I'm debating whether I keep the car, but I think I'm going to, only because of the unique plates, which you can see here. A few other little odds and ends. The speedo works, but the odometer doesn't. The boot doesn't stay up. I've ordered parts for that already. They should be here later this week. They're coming from Queensland. And it's just a tidying up a car that's been sitting around for the last 3 years plus that my aunt's been in a home. So it'd actually be 4 years, because I think she was in the home for 3 years, and then she's been gone nearly 12 months. So yeah, 4 years. Yeah, otherwise I'll just I'll take you for a quick walk around the car when I move it out in a sec, and you can see what it's like. Well, here we are in the boot. It's actually not looking too bad. I don't think the water's been in here for long. A couple of little spots of rust, not too bad at all. High-tech drying solution. Dehumidifier, currently 32% humidity in here, and a little bit of heat from a 100 watt globe. That's actually used for resin drying normally. Paint's quite weathered, but for a 34-year-old car, yeah, it's not bad. And yes, that is a Mustang. Interior wise, it's actually not bad. Don't know what the seats are like underneath the seat covers there at the front, but I'll be finding out in the next few days. And surprisingly enough, no chip in the corner of these. Every car that I've seen has the corner of one of these chipped off. Bit difficult going back to a stereo like that, but hey, for a classic old car, obviously need to get myself rubbers and stuff like that over the next few months. These are all come off up here as well. and that's my normal daily driver car. So yes, I may have a Mustang, but I normally drive a Commodore. Although the thing's starting to get a little bit dirty thanks to a dirt road at work. When I picked the VN up, it's got a leak in the boot. I've determined that it's coming around the door lock, or the boot lock, as well as some of the bolts that hold the black plastic across the back are rusted. So I think it might be coming in around them too, so I'll strip that off in the next week or so and we'll see what we can do about sealing that. But because it had water in it, the carpet in the boot was really mouldy and stinks. So it's out here in a little barbecue area, and we are going to clean it today.